Let's say today you have a test appointment with the DMV. Make sure that you bring all the document with you. Let's say like your permit. Make sure you have your permit. Make sure it valid. And also, if you can, you bring the DMV appointment confirmation. And also, you bring your registration, and also insurance. Make sure you check the date and make sure all of them still valid. If you're under 18, you may have to bring, the yellow certificate, the 6 hours, with you. Okay, if you're over 18, you don't need that. Okay, and you go inside the DMV. Let's say your appointment is, you bring only paper with the you, and then go inside, and looking for the side they have the DMV appointment road test. You need to sign in. They have a seat. You need to sign in there. Okay, and this is the driving performance test. Okay, today we're going to talk about rewrite checklist. So before you even go to the DMV, you make sure you check on the car first. You need to know the window. You make sure that everything is working, like the windshield. Okay. All right, make sure it's working. And the horn. Okay. And the headlight. Okay. And the left signal. Make sure it works. And the right signal. Okay, they ask you the item, make sure emergency light. Okay, make sure it's working. And the front defroster. Okay, and the rear defroster. Okay, make sure it's working. Okay, and you check that. They also ask you the arm signal, so make sure you need to know arm signal stick out like left and right. Slow down, stop. Okay, so only thing you need to know, and then they will ask you if you miss more than 3 of these items on the rewrite checklist, then the test is even disqualified. Okay, so make sure you know that. All right, and thank you. I will see you the next lesson. Okay.